much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have the Box by FASHIONSTA unboxing for July 2020. I will leave my FASHIONSTA playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. My last box, which was May's, which was supposed to be March's, had a busted lipstick, and I unboxed this during a live, and I had a couple of subscribers tell me that they've received broken products before from FASHIONSTA, and they had to pay for shipping for a new item, which is absurd to me. And when I requested a replacement, they just went on ahead and issued me a replacement. I even specified in my email, am I being charged for shipping? And they said no. I just thought it was a little shady that they charge some customers for replacements and then some were replaced for free. Let me know in the comments below what your experience was if you had a damaged product before from FASHIONSTA. I hate this confetti stuff because it just gets all over the place. I feel like we just got an oil, yeah, in the May box. So to get another oil seems maybe a little excessive. That last oil was super thick. It wasn't my favorite, so maybe this one from Moonslice Beauty. This is the Moonshine Superfruit Facial Oil that is for all skin types, and it retails for $25, which pays for this box. It's normally $25 a month and you get over $100 value. If you ordered before they upped the charges, you still get it for $20 a month. This is an organic 18 botanical oil blend that is a truly pure, which is the way your skin would have it. Curated with nature's fruit basket and avocados, apples, watermelons, and everything in between to create a superfruit antioxidant potion that boosts radiance and balances complexion. Oh, this is supposed to be a spray, and it just came off just like that. My component was struggling. So it's interesting that's a spray oil. Okay, that is what one pump looks like. Hopefully it's not as thick as that one. This is actually very light for an oil, and my hand soaked it right in. Does have that very fruity scent. It smells like you just walked into Lush. It's actually super hydrating. It doesn't really have that greasy residue feel that a lot of oils will leave. I just hope that the scent isn't gonna be overwhelming. I know I'm sensitive to scents, and I'm sure some of you guys are too. I hope it works out well with my other moisturizers and all the other products in my skincare routine, because this feels like something I would love to incorporate in my nighttime routine. That way my face can just really soak it in overnight with a soft, smooth, hydrated complexion in the morning. Ooh, this sponge looks interesting. I have been becoming more accepting to sponges lately. I have just been obsessed with my Sigma 3D HD Max Kabuki for about a year now. So I kind of started neglecting sponges, and then I tried some newer ones like Juno & Co. Hank & Henry has one. This one feels really nice. This is from Base Blue. I have not tried them before. It is an $8 sponge that is a flawlessly buff and blend out heavy duty makeup formulas like foundations and concealers. I have high hopes for it. It's a very interesting shape. I think it's going to be great for concealers. I hope that the butt of this is going to be good for foundations. I normally like the teardrop shapes, like this is my Juno & Co. one, but my Hank & Henry one is also very unique, but it has a good butt. Touch the butt. But it's really easy just to on your foundation. We'll see how this one goes. I'm very excited to give it a shot. I'm gonna have to use that soon because my brushes, they be looking jank. What else is new? Oh, we got a palette. This is from the Beauty Crop. This is the Swing-a-Zing. I don't know what I was reading, but it's the sun gazing. Ignore me. You trying to tell me that doesn't look like Swing-a-Zing? This is what the inside looks like. It definitely has that very summery, sun gazing look to it. Very warm. It has glitter. We all know how I feel about glitter. We have all seen Amanda apply glitter in her ColourPop Mulan review and how it backfired. So I'm a little hesitant on trying it, but then again, Glow Addict for July had amazing glitters in the box, and it made me rethink everything I was thinking about glitters. We shall see how these glitter feels, and is it going to be more like Mulan, or is it going to be more feeling like Glow Addicts? Oh, these shimmers are creamy. Apollo, Blaze, Soleil, Amber. Bitch! Bitch again! And a third time! For not really being familiar with this brand, I'm shook from these swatches. They are super creamy, pigment all the way through. I hope everything blends really nice. You don't even need to wet a brush with these. Or you can do the Jackie technique and use your finger, or you can use the Amanda technique and use a brush. Whatever technique works out best for you. Usually it's the wetting the brush, but these don't even need them. Bright Soul Sunny Heat. After swatching the second row, this palette is super heavy in the shimmers, and there's only going to be 2 mattes, which are Amber and Soul. That is usually a huge gripe of mine with palettes because I want to just be able to use one palette when I create an entire look. But on the flip side, I am getting used to dipping into multiple palettes in creating a look. If this was me, I probably would have taken out the glitters and put more mattes in it. I don't really think glitters are going to be necessary in this palette when these shimmers are banging. Sunshine, Flare, Phoenix, Fire. And this is the entire palette swatched. As I mentioned, I'm not as crazy about the glitters. I do like Sunshine though. I think that Sunshine is a very pretty shade. I would probably want to put that in the inner corners, even though I'm setting up myself for failure in the inner corners right there. Mulan ColourPop Experience. I definitely see myself getting a lot of use out of these shimmers. I think that these shimmers are going to be really nice just for like those natural or no makeup look days. Just putting a shimmer all over your lid, calling it a day. Maybe putting amber on your lower lash line. The glitters I could honestly live without. That's just not my preference in a palette. I know it's super popular to put glitters in a palette. Let me know what you guys think about glitters in the comments below. I itch my eye that has glitter on it. I'm just setting myself up for a torn cornea. And this palette retails for $24.50, which is not bad in my opinion considering these amazing shimmers. Like, I am shook from the shimmers. Next we have from the brand Fig & Euro. This is the Eye Bright Coffee Bean Eye Cream that retails for $36. I really like products that have caffeine in it. Caffeine will help with that brightening effect. It is a very liquidy eye cream. It's about to go dripping down on the hand. Oh yeah, it's super thin. I really like my eye creams to be thick. I feel like it's actually helping something. It kind of has like a stale coffee smell to it. It's interesting. It's taking my hand a little bit of time to absorb it, but then again, it's formulated for under my eyes and not my hand. This is an ultra light, organic, hydrating cream formulated to renew, protect, and hydrate the delicate eye area. Potent antioxidants, cell-nourishing botanicals aid in the minimization of superficial fine lines, and it's also cruelty-free. Well, it definitely hit the nail on the head about it being ultra light, which it felt. My hand does feel hydrated after applying, but of course I have to try it underneath my under eyes because that area is super delicate compared to my hand. I just don't like the scent of it. That's something that I'm gonna have to get over. It's just a weird scent. Next we have by the brand Habit. This is the ultimate multi-use cream that retails for $28. This is a cream-based color pot made for use on the lips, cheeks, and eyes with buildable coverage from a tint to bold color. The ultimate is blush, lip tint, lipstick, and eyeshadow all in one easy product. Certified vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and packed with protective antioxidants and skincare grade ingredients. Not what I was expecting. I was kind of expecting it to be like a more nude shade, like a matte paint pot. It feels very creamy, feels a little bit thinner, and it kind of just fades away when you blend it in. What about a second shot? I don't know how to feel about this right now. Okay, I'm sorry to see it with a second go around. I don't really know about your eyes, but maybe your cheeks. Third go around. We're gonna hit pan until I'm satisfied with the coverage. Interesting. I guess for a blush, and I'm gonna have to blend it with the sponge because my finger's not gonna be the best blender to get a better gauge of how I feel about this product. And then the last product is by the brand We Are Wild. This is a solid block mineral sunscreen that retails for $26. That is the thing I do enjoy from FASHIONSTA, is learning about all these different indie brands. Okay, solid sunscreen. It doesn't have that typical sunscreen scent, but it has that typical sunscreen grease feel to it, probably packed with propylene glycol. Usually products that are formulated with a high concentration of propylene glycol, that can give the greasy feel to it, but not really cause your face to be greasy, if that makes sense. This has active cannabis in it, which I really don't see much of a difference with CBD in my products. This has SPF 35. Don't call it sunblock, it's a solid block. This is formulated with non-nano minerals and the safest broad spectrum UVA UVB protection. I kind of like it in a way because like liquid sunscreen can be really thick because along with its friend propylene glycol, it's also formulated with xanthan gum, and xanthan gum is a thickening agent. So the box from FASHIONSTA, it wasn't bad. I don't know, it's been a subscription box that I've had on the chopping block for a while, but then like I get sucked back into it because I do get excited seeing some of the spoilers. I really liked this oil. I really liked how it was a spray component and also how it felt on the hand. It wasn't super thick and my hand absorbed it really nice. I'm still shook from these shimmers from this palette. I'm excited to try it on the eyes, and then I'm also curious how this solid block is gonna work out for me. Oh, I almost forgot about the beauty sponge. I'm excited for that too because I set it down with my other sponges over here. The only products I'm just kind of about is the eye cream because of the scent, and then making this product work right here. I would love to know if you guys get the box by FASHIONSTA. Did we get the same variations or do they have variations? What was your favorite product? What was your least favorite product? And how did all the products work out for you? And are you guys excited for August's box? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.